Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Bilal Haider and you are watching Before Bilal. Guys, you may have ever seen smugglers who carry out some special things from one country to another country illegally. Smugglers make special tricks to avoid custom problems. Sometimes they got success and sometimes not. In this video, I am going to talk about 9 most stupid smugglers ever caught in the history. So let's count down. But before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Number 9. Gold smugglers. Gold smugglers are seen everywhere in the world, but this man has made a new idea. This man has put pieces of gold in his cuff of shirt, and he thought that no any custom official will think about this magic trick. But he was caught on Bangladesh airport. Bangladesh custom do not only catch him but his fellow smuggler also, who had put small pieces of gold in his collar of shirt, and some gold pieces were found in his shoes. Near about 2.5 kilograms of gold were retrieved by them, which was in small pieces. But this trick could not make them successful. They lost their gold and then sent to the jail. Number 8. iPhones. Guys, some people are busy in smuggling accessories and technological gadgets with them from one country to another country. But this man has crossed all the limits. He was found on Chinese border when custom authorities caught him. They found lots of mobile phones with his body. All these phones were iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus, which were the latest technology of that time. All these mobile phones were folded with his body. When custom officials asked him to cross the metal detector, it seemed something like with him, and custom officers were amazed to see this person having lots of mobile phones with his body. Number 7. Hummingbird. Guys, you may already know about this bird. In some European countries, it is very much expensive and valuable. A man was seen on Guyana's airport by custom officials when he was doing meaningless activities. When custom officials asked him for checking what they found this stupid man has put hummingbird in his underwear and pant. When these birds bite body, he was trembling and stucking. And these birds were packed very carefully. French customs has never seen such type of smugglers in their history. For myself, it's a scene of funny movie. Number 7. Smuggling man. Guys, you may have already heard about who tries to enter the other countries with illegal means. These extraordinary people make tricks and tips for making themselves during the journey. But in 2016, an amazing way of smuggling men was introduced by a Mexican person. A car was crossing the American border by Mexican road. When custom officials investigate the car, they found a seat extra which they never seen in the car. When they came to know the reason, they found a man inside the seat who was trying to enter the America illegally. This man was 42 years old and this seat was made specially by him. It may be very difficult for this person to be fixed in this seat, but all his efforts could not make him successful in entering America, and custom officials sent him to the jail. This was really rare and amazing case of smuggling in the world. Number 5. Animals. Guys, there are so many animals which are very much expensive and valuable, and their demand is very much high in some countries. Due to ban on their trade, smugglers are very busy to take them away from the countries. Once, custom officials caught a boy who was carrying reptiles and other animals with his body. He did put reptiles in socks and animals in boxes and then tied them with his body. He was trying to smuggle 24 animals with him. After all, his all efforts were made unsuccessful when custom officials caught him and sent all the animals to the experts. Number 4. A decent family. Guys, if you see a small and decent family, you will never imagine that they could become a smuggler. They were looking decent, literal, and having a decent car. But it is not very much easy to satisfy the custom official. In this rare case, this family could not survive. When custom official noted a tiny part of their car, they seen some scratches on the bonnet of the car. When custom officials investigate, they found millions of dollars cash, which was black money. The shameful act is that they were had a kid with them in this tragic scene. Number 3. Cigarettes. Guys, there are some countries who don't allow their peoples to carry more cigarettes with them. Usually people hide cigarettes in jackets, metal boxes and in bags. But these extraordinary smugglers made holes inside the trees and put cigarettes inside them. Only master smugglers can do this. When these trees were sent to other countries by train, custom officials found 25,000 packets of cigarettes inside the trees. And these trees were made like before, as with mastery, but these master smugglers could not hide all these packets from the custom officials. Officers retrieved all the cigarettes and sent the smugglers to the jail. Number 2. Weapons. Guys, there are so many smugglers who are trying to carry out things from Texas border of America, and American customs seems busy in catching these smugglers. On a sunny morning in Texas, a Chevrolet truck was seen crossing the Texas border. It seems a normal truck, but investigation officer noted that some screws are not found in the back of the truck. When trained dogs were called, they came to know that something is bad in the truck. After a huge investigation, custom officials found bullets, guns, and other harmful things. This smuggler does not seem to be safe now because he is sent to jail for a long period of time. Number 1. Drone smugglers. Guys, as technology becomes advanced, smugglers are also trying to advance gadgets in their crime. In order to carry out things from one place to another place, smugglers start using drones. Smugglers use drones to carry out things and put into the jail, such as phones, guns, cigarettes, and other requirements. Because it is not so much easy found the drone operator, it happens very first time in 2016 at UK, when drone operator was caught red-handed when he was trying to drop mobile phones in the London jail. And after that, these jails made anti-drone units and fixed jammers in the jails, which cancels the connection of drone with operator. After all, those jails who are not carrying such type of advanced technology is the target of smugglers to drop their. Thanks for watching.